Hello there everyone, this is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes. In today's video, we are focusing on 5 common mistakes with prepositions that we normally make. And these are very basic and common mistakes that is done in everyday life by almost all of us. So let's get to see what we normally do, what mistakes we normally do. This is the key of my room. No, this is the key to my room. All right, so to is the correct preposition over here. What a dirty face! Look at the mirror. Correct. What a dirty face! Look in the mirror. Okay. Incorrect. Let's begin from page 10. Let's begin at page 10 or let's begin on page 10. I met with your friend. I met your friend, not with. Just remove this word with. She insisted to pay. She insisted on paying. Okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video. We're going to deal with some other topics in the other videos. So meanwhile, if you are preparing for any kind of entrance exams, you can join our classes for that. All the details are given in the description box below. Thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again in the next videos.